Hey investors, big news. Nvidia insiders just sold over $1 billion worth of stocks. So should you be concerned? Or is this just smart timing? Let's break it down. Nvidia's been crushing it lately in AI gaming and semiconductors. But when insiders sell big, it raises questions. Is it just profit-taking or something more? Insiders selling isn't always a red flag. They might be diversifying or planning finances. It doesn't mean the company's in trouble. But large, repeated sales, that's worth watching. So what's the takeaway? Don't panic. Just stay informed. Look at trends, not just headlines. Because $1 billion move might be strategy, not a signal. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share and follow Quick Fin Shorts for more finance content.